Right now, without your permission, without any pain, without any signal you can feel, millions of your cells are choosing to die. Not because they are damaged, not because something went wrong, because they were always going to. Every cell in your body was built with a timer already running. This process has a name. Scientists call it apoptosis, and it is not death. It is a decision. Biologist Sidney Brenner won the Nobel Prize partly for uncovering how this works. What he found was startling. Your cells do not wait to be killed. They carry their own self-destruct instructions baked into their DNA from the moment they are created. When the signal comes, the cell systematically dismantles itself from the inside out. Organelles shut down, DNA gets cut into fragments, the membrane folds inward, and the whole package is wrapped up neatly for neighboring cells to absorb. No mess, no inflammation, no trace. Your body destroys between 50 and 70 billion of its own cells every single day this way, on purpose. But here is the part that reframes everything. Apoptosis is not your body failing, it is your body maintaining itself. Every cell that dies today makes room for a new one. The average red blood cell lives about 120 days. Your skin cells last roughly 2 to 3 weeks. The cells lining your gut, the ones handling everything you eat, are replaced every 3 to 5 days. You are not the same physical object you were a month ago. The timer itself lives at the end of your chromosomes. It is called a telomere. Every time a cell divides, the telomere gets a little shorter. Researcher Elizabeth Blackburn, another Nobel laureate, spent decades mapping this. When the telomere gets too short, the cell stops dividing. It enters a state called senescence. It is still alive, but it has stopped contributing. And when enough cells do this at once, you start to see it on the outside. Slower healing, thinner skin, the gradual accumulation of everything the world calls aging. Here is the counterintuitive twist. The cells that ignore the timer are the dangerous ones. Cancer is not cells dying too fast. Cancer is cells that have switched off apoptosis entirely. Cells that refuse to follow the expiration date. That keep dividing past the point where they should have stopped. The self-destruct mechanism is not the threat. The absence of it is. So tonight, when you feel tired, when your body feels worn, remember what is actually happening beneath the surface. 50 billion quiet decisions. Cells stepping aside so new ones can take their place. The expiration date was never a flaw in the design. Right now, without your permission, without any pain, without any signal you can feel, your body is rebuilding itself, one quiet decision at a time.